In this step, we're going to talk about business licenses. Some businesses don't require you to have licenses, but I would love for you to make sure that if you do require a license, that you do your due diligence to get those licenses. So if you don't know if your business requires a license, you can always reach out to us. And if you do know that your business requires a license, now it's time for you to apply for that license, because you have everything you need now to do your business. You have the address, you have your business, you have everything you need, your business phone number, you have everything you need now. So now it's time for you to do your business licenses. A lot of people will start doing their business license before they even get their LLC and their EIN paperwork. They're not going to check to see if that is done until after you get to the end of the application. And if they deny you, your money's just gone because you may have used someone else's name that you couldn't use. So again, make sure you're following each step that I'm giving you to make sure you don't run across these problems. So if you have any questions, reach out to me. And also we have resources listed for you below. And also if you need any more help and just need to speak to one of the customer service representatives, go ahead and contact us and we'll get back with you as soon as possible within 24 and 48 hours. Thank you so much, and I hope to see you on the next slide. Bye.